What is up, YouTube? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a great day. This is the final video of a 3-part series that has gone on this whole week about what is in my watch list and what is in my portfolio. I wanted to cover all 21 stocks that I'm looking at right now. And as I add more companies to the list of companies that I am either looking at or adding to, I'm just going to use this as like the base list. So make sure you're subscribed so you're part of that. I'm not going to make this intro too long because the very first video had a really long intro. So with all that said, let's get into these last 7 stocks and we'll kind of finish this out. I think these stocks are actually the most interesting stocks. So very first stock I want to talk about here is Overstock.com. I don't own any of this position at the time of making this video, but I think I might be adding a position early on in the week. So again, I'm making this video on Sunday and it's probably going to come out on Friday. So I'll probably have owned some of this by the time this stock comes out, or by the time this video comes out, sorry. The reason why I'm really interested in this company, and I'm probably going to add to this company, or actually start a position in this company, is because I was listening to a 6-year-old interview. I was listening to a 4-year-old interview with the CEO. And I still got to verify that he's the current CEO, because I just literally added this to this was going to be a 20 stock thing, and I added this last minute because I always do research all the time. It's 24/7 with me. This is just a passion of mine. I love looking into stocks. I love learning new things. But I gotta do a couple things of research, but I'm sure by Friday I'll own one. I'll learn a little bit about this company. If not, I'll come up with a video next Monday saying whether or not I ended up buying this stock or not. 4 years ago, the CEO was talking about Bitcoin on a level that people nowadays don't really understand Bitcoin. He was talking about the blockchain technology, and I was just thinking, if a CEO could take the time to learn it before anybody else even knew what it was, and I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I actually did it this time. This is the first video this has happened. I just realized this. I'm talking to you guys. I think it's because it's the 3rd video. I'm talking to you guys and I'm not even being professional. That's enough on Overstock. We're done. It was only one stock that I did it on. God dang it. For you guys that have watched the other videos, you already know what I'm talking about, but I forgot to be professional. Gosh, I hate when this happens. So let's get into the proper uniform to cover the last 6 stocks. I cannot believe I did that. All right. We're back. That was embarrassing. But now we're professional. We can talk about stocks again. Sorry. Next stock on the list, Shopify. Same thing, same kind of play as Overstock. But I really like what they're doing with Facebook. I think that's a really good idea and a potential new way to grow their business that could take on Amazon. The next play here is FedEx. FedEx is a very beaten down stock again. And I think that they just have the best customer service out of anybody that's providing shipping. So I just don't see them at the end of the day dying. I think FedEx is just that beaten down stock that's going to bounce back. The next stock, I'm going to start running through these a little bit faster. CRM, or Salesforce as everybody else knows it. I like this company because I just started working with Salesforce, and I just see how beneficial it is to a company that is trying to work in any kind of sales. Now we're getting into the last 3 stocks. These are my other bets. These are not into any other area. First one is Disney. I just can't understand why Disney is priced where it is when you have Netflix priced where it is. And Disney now has, out of everybody that has been claiming to be a Netflix killer, Disney is the only one that has done it successfully. I know Amazon Prime is good, I know Hulu's good, but Hulu's also majority owned by Disney. So if you wanted a better play at Netflix, Disney is the answer. And they don't only do videos, they do the theme parks. You know, they have many other deals, and they're a proven brand, and I don't think Disney's ever dying. And I don't know why there isn't more people buying Disney. I think Disney is forever and always will be a buy. That's just my opinion on it. I don't own any of it right now, but if there was ever like a big company that I would buy, this is that one. Even if they don't grow anymore, this is like a rock solid company. The next one is Axon Enterprises. This is like the body cameras. With everything going on in the world now, I think police body cams are going to be mandatory forever. And the last one is Twitter. I don't know if it's Twitter. This is like a new idea for me. This is why this Twitter is on here. Twitter was off and on over the years. I haven't really owned it ever, but because I don't have the idea of social media is like a future play, but I do have the idea of news, like what's going to be the new news play. And Twitter is the only thing that kind of fits that niche right now, because Facebook had its shot. We all see Facebook articles now, and then we have to vet the sources. We all know that. We all look into those type of things immediately. Whenever we see something on Facebook, we double check it by going to another source. So I don't think they have the trust. I don't know if Twitter is even the news source play, but there has to be a play out there. And it might be Google, because they have YouTube. It might be Netflix. It could be something that Netflix gets into. I think that media is a huge problem in our country, and they spin things to direct a narrative instead of just giving us the fact. And I think that people are getting fed up. So I'm trying right now to look for some play in that space. So if you guys have any ideas, please put those in the comments, because I really want to find something that fits this narrative that I'm looking for right now. Again, sorry about the jacket. I can't believe I forgot it, but I hope you guys learned something from this video. That's all 21. Hopefully you guys seen the first 2 videos. Make sure you go check them out if you haven't. I'm sure the link is going to be in the description. And with all that said, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope that I added some value. Thank you guys again, 1000%, and bye.